in this video we're assembling the sunflower box. So I've already glued my panels on. I'm going to start with the bottom box. It's just a very simple box. I put my panels on. There's a panel for the liner on the inside. So this is really simple. This box is it's 4x4. So the top are these 3 pieces. And when you put together this piece here, what you want to do when you bring it over is make sure these aren't overlapping, okay? So you just want them to just meet. So this part is simple. Now this is just going to glue right there, okay? Oops. If you want to cover these tabs inside your box, just cut another piece like this top one, and then you can put that over your tabs if you want. So there's our lid. Hopefully my glue's dry enough that I don't glue this together. Okay, and then our sunflower. You just want to offset your petals at first. Just like that. Glue these 2 together. I'm going to pop this with some foam tape. I think I'm going to use foam tape to adhere it to the box as well. There we are. This will pair really nicely with the sunflower envelope card. And there you have it, a very quick and simple 4x4 gift box. Thank you for joining me.